I'm Mike McDivitt, and I'm a trial lawyer, and we have McDivitt Law Firm. But what I really like about it is the fact that I have an opportunity to be involved in helping the Main Street USA level the playing field. I've always been drawn to the concept of being that guy who can help other people. Somebody needs to be there to help the little guy go against those that are taking advantage of them.
McDivitt Law Firm was founded in 1992 by my parents, Mike and Karen McDivitt. My dad's been the senior attorney the whole time. My mom's historically run the business side.
Well, we started off actually in a small town in southern Colorado, southeast Colorado, La Junta.
I did every kind of law there was. I did wills and trusts, I did estate planning, I represented people in divorce matters.
He began to get the feeling that there were people who weren't being represented because they didn't have the money to hire an attorney.
What I really wanted to do is to represent people on a contingency basis, because I had to bill by the hour a lot of the times, and I got tired of sending bills and invoices out. I didn't like that. I said to myself, look, I know what I can do, and if I can help people get a recovery, and I get paid only if I succeed, I'm willing to do that.
So my husband became very passionate about that, and we moved to Colorado Springs.
I assembled the chairs and the conference room table, and my sister helped put together a filing system.
But the problem is then you only get to help a limited number of people. So our idea was to grow a firm and hire the kinds of people who had the same passion we had about helping people, and then that way we reach a larger population.
And we've grown from that point to become one of the largest injury and disability law firms in the entire state of Colorado. We have offices now all over Colorado.
That's what I'm so proud of, is that we're able to be there to actually help people. And you know what? We're not asking for an unfair advantage. We want to be able to level the playing field, because these people need help.
Our law firm handles exclusively injury and disability cases. What that means is that we help people who've been injured, whether they've been injured in a collision, a car or semi-trailer, motorcycle collision, whether they are family members who've lost somebody who's been killed by a drunk driver. We represent people who are injured on the job, they're injured at work, and we represent people who have disabilities, people who are applying for government benefits, the Social Security Administration. We help them in their application process, and we help people who've been victims of defective drugs and defective products. We help our veterans with their benefits claims.
I think we get the greatest joy in feedback from our clients when they tell us that we've done something for them that nobody else could have done for them.
What we've done ever since the beginning is to have a promise to our clients that we will treat them as we would a family member who needed our services.
Every client that comes in gets a legal team. It's not just one person working for them, it's an entire legal team to make sure that nothing ever falls through the cracks, and we have multiple sets of eyes on everything.
And we are able to do more than you can do if you're just a small firm.
It is truly a team effort, and that's what I realized early on.
I caution people about trying to take on these companies, these insurance companies, trying to resolve the claims on their own or battle to get their benefits on their own, because the system is set up to take advantage of people trying to do it on their own.
You want to get a firm that will return your phone calls, that will treat you seriously, that will do the best job that the firm can do to get you the kinds of help that you are entitled to get.
Not only do we pride ourselves in the kind of legal work that we do for our community, but also in the work that we do to give back to the community.
My wife, Karen, is very much involved in this. It was actually her brainchild. My wife has been instrumental in so much that we do right in this business.
Well, when you represent a client whose child has been killed because the client was doing everything right and a drunk driver slammed him in the back, you can never get that child back.
So what we decided to do is to pay for free cab rides home from bars for individuals who've had too much to drink, so they can get the cab ride home, and McDivitt Law Firm will pay for that.
We've put probably close to $250,000 into cab rides since 2007.
And we started working with the schools, trying to work with the high schools and encouraging them to think about not only drink and drive, but now we've branched into education on distracted driving.
We are involved in Habitat for Humanity.
We're out raising money for the American Heart Association, the American Stroke Association.
It's a way of making a difference in the community for people other than just our clients.
We call it McDivitt Makes a Difference. And it's our way of reaching out into the community throughout Colorado, try to make a difference for the people that we live with, the people that we work with. I really encourage you to call us if you've been injured in a collision, if you're fighting for your disability benefits, if you've been injured on the job. Don't wait. Call us. Let's see what we can do to help you out.
We are able to help people who otherwise wouldn't have any ability to take a case because no attorney would handle it.
And that's what I like about this business. We're in the game with the individual, and we're going to help you get it.
You are number one. We care about you, and we're going to do everything that we can to get the results for you.